Okay.
Or Japanese. A Japanese lure is a kappa. A boy wants to swim but doesn't see the sign of a kappa. When he got back home, her grandmother and grandfather are still okay. When he took a sleep, something happened. When he woke up, the kappa took his soul.
Seriously, your phone is black.
And now, the kappa is wanting to control the boy.
Oh my gosh.
That is so scary.
Yep, guys.
That's why don't respond when you are in Japanese, or else you're gonna be get by a kappa lorry.
What is that?
A kappa means a green turtle.
Oh, okay.
Face of a kappa. Ito mukha ng kappa. Ito ginagawa ng kappa pag may na ano. Alam niyo to,
Kappa.
itong kappa ito takot.
Oh my gosh, ang liwanag. Ayusin natin video natin, baka mapangit daw.
Mamaya sabihin nila, kuha na tayo.
Ingay mo naman.
Ito ginagawa ng kappa dyan si Oki na kayo ng people.
Nakakatakot talaga. Ano nangyari? Oh, pangit!
Guys, ang cellphone naman na gamitin mo, dyan lang muna kayo sa tablet ni cellphone.
Gusto ko.
Share muna kayo dalawa dyan.
Uy! No. Okay, mag-YouTuber muna tayo.
Okay.
Tara. Dito tayo. Labas tayo.
Sige. Kasi nga, tingin mo kung may kidnapper ah.
Okay.
Pag nakuha,
Narang sa dati mo.
excuse po, Papa. Gusto namin ng video po sa labas.
Okay. We're outside.
Sana magsayaw gusto!
Oh my gosh, ang ingay mo naman. Tara, punta tayo dito. Dito tayo magandang view. Okay. Okay. Magandang video na to Basta, ang dami naman muddy puddles or kaya siguro...
Muddy paddles! Uwe!
Nope. Not dwarf and muddy puddles.
What do I need to wait?
I don't know.
6, 7!
6, 7. Who stars of 6, 7, guys? Like the video.
Sana gusto lumipad!
Oh my gosh, don't go that way.